Good afternoon, everyone. This is your counselor and a meditation practitioner, certified meditation practitioner, Meenakshi Sharma. Today, I will discuss about inside the meditating mind, the science of brain waves. Have you ever wondered what actually happens in your brain when you meditate? Let's break it down into four powerful brainwave states. Number one is beta, the overactive mind. This is where we spend most of our day thinking, planning, worrying. High beta is that restless state linked with anxiety, stress, and overthinking. Meditation helps you step out of the survival mode. As you close your eyes, something shifts. Alpha, the calm mind. Your brain slows down, your body relaxes. Alpha feels like that peaceful moment when the world gets quiet. Here, creativity rises, clarity sharpens, and the body begins to heal. But when you go even deeper, here comes the third wave brain state, that is theta, the healing mind. This is the state between wakefulness and sleep. Your subconscious opens, old emotional patterns, fears, and stress begin to dissolve. Theta is where deep meditation, inner transformation, and emotional release happen. It's the doorway to real change. And at the deepest level is the delta brainwave state, the restorative mind. The slowest brainwaves usually only reached in deep sleep, but advanced meditators can touch delta while still awake. In delta, the body repairs, immunity strengthens, and the entire system resets. So, every time you meditate, you are guiding your brain from the noisy beta to peaceful alpha, to the transformative theta, and sometimes into the restorative delta. You are not just sitting quietly, you are rewiring your brain, healing your body, and shifting into a state where real transformation becomes possible. So, dear viewers and listeners, if you are ready to experience a calmer mind, emotional balance, and a deeper connection with yourself, I invite you to join my meditation webinar. For a small fee, you will learn simple but powerful techniques to shift your brain waves, reduce stress, and activate your inner healing. If you are interested, type yes in the comment section. If I will get 50 yes, I will soon come up with this webinar where you experience a transformation that stays with you long after the session ends. Thanks for listening and watching.